Hello. In this video, we're going to go through the song Blessed. Hello. In this video, we're going to go through the song Be Unto Your Name. Beautiful song. And it's fun to sign as well. In this video, we're going to go through the vocabulary. And I do this at every video, so if you're watching multiple videos, you might want to skip ahead a little bit, or you might want to listen to me again. But in this vocabulary video, it is truly, truly important that you don't memorize the vocabulary in words. We don't speak in words. We speak in sentences. Our mind thinks of things in sentences. Our mind thinks of thoughts in terms of a continuous run of words which makes up an idea. And because we do that, that's the way we also remember. So it's really, really important as you go through this video that you don't focus on the individual words, that you look at it in terms of the entire phrase and the entire context, okay? This will help you in all kinds of ways, all right? So do that for me. Now, unfortunately, to show you the signs for the words, I have to show you the signs for the words. But I'm going to try to put them in the context with the sentences that they're in. So here we go, without further ado. The vocabulary for Be Unto Your Name. We are a moment. We. Just point to this shoulder, the same side as your elbow, and then point to the other shoulder, which is the opposite of your elbow. That's we. R. The letter R coming off of the chin. Just come down just below your lip and come straight out. R. A moment. A moment. So what is the author of the song trying to say here? We are a moment. We're a vapor. In fact, he's going to say that a little bit later. We are a vapor. We disappear quickly. We are a minute. We're going to sign that as a minute. All right? That's a minute. It's kind of, this is the minute hand. You ever have one of those clocks that were stuck with the battery going dead? That's what that is. Minute. You are forever. You. Pronouns. Every single song I do always has a pronoun in it. And so I just give this little spiel about pronouns because it's really, really simple. You can learn, probably 12, 15 signs here in about 6 seconds. Me, you. It's a pointed thing. Him, her, it, his, he. Okay? Now, that's non-possessive. Possessive is the same exact thing. Your, his, hers, it, his, mine. It's all directional. Just open the palm and it's directional. It's possessive. Okay? So, you are forever. Who are we singing about? You. So make sure that when you say you, because you are forever, Lord of the ages. No, I'm not pointing at you. You're not Lord of the ages. You are not God before time. God before time is right there. And in my universe, my signed universe, God lives up on my right-hand side, right there. In all of my signs, when I'm referring to God, that's where his throne is in my mind. So if you're watching me as an interpreter over time, you realize that anything that up there has to do with God for me. Okay? A little insight into me. Lord of the ages. Lord. L, starting at the shoulder opposite your elbow, coming down to your hip. Lord. Of the ages. You can spell it or you can leave it out. Of the ages. Years. This is the sign for year. This is the sun going around the earth. Okay, think about what I said there. Anyway, sun going around the earth, that's a year. right? Stretch it out a little bit, exaggerate it a little bit, and it becomes ages, okay? Lord of the ages, God, kind of come out. I'm going to go sideways so you can see what I'm doing there. God, all right? God, before time. Just point to your little Android watch, and that's time. Before. In sign language, anything moving in this direction is forward tense. Anything moving that direction is backwards tense. Behind, okay? So before time. We are a vapor. We already know what sign for we. Are, we know the sign for are. A vapor. Poof. And you don't have to put the poof sound in there. It's vapor. Kind of, you can feel it and then it's gone. We are a vapor. You are eternal. You are eternal. There's a comparison there. So you might even want to go, we are a vapor. You are eternal. Just sort of show the separation there. Okay? Love everlasting, reigning on high. Love everlasting. So love, give your teddy bear a big hug. Everlasting, circle in the air and a Y hand going up. Circle, Y hand going up. This is always yet, which is forever. I think it's kind of cool the way that works out. Forever. And who am I still talking to? Making sure I'm still talking in the right direction here. Holy, holy Lord God Almighty. Holy. Right? Holy. Make an H. Come down like you're spreading butter. Come down and then spread the butter across the page. Across, well, maybe not the page, maybe the bread. I don't know. Anyway, holy, holy, Lord, God, Almighty, Almighty, all. I'm going to slow that down, and I'm going to speak in slow-mo here. All. I have a hand up, my left hand. I'm right-handed, so my left hand is a stage. My right hand does all the work. Set up a sort of a little wall here. I put a roof on it. I take that roof around and I make it a wall on the other side. All. Mighty. Almighty. Strong. Okay? Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy. Two F hands coming down here for like eyeballs. Okay? And they're just going to make a little circle in the air. And the circles will join together. You can see through them, right? Worthy is, just like R, only the letter I instead of R. The Lamb, we're going to leave out the. We don't ever sign the word the. Lamb, lamb or lamb, either one. I've seen it both with an L, making lamb, or just shears, as if you're shearing a lamb. Okay? Lamb, who was slain. And here we're using the word who, but who is a question mark when we sign the word who. Who? That's a question mark. We're not asking a question mark. We're saying, this is the one. This is the one that was slain. Okay? Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Who was. Okay? Who was, actually. Who was. I'm going to point at the one who was slain. Right there. That's the guy. He's the one who was slain. And slain. And was. Same thing as before. Kind of go to the back. Slain. And this is a sign that kind of a little graphic in my mind. It's kind of like slitting a throat. Okay? Slain. Highest praises honor and glory. Highest. This is high, and this is ist. Okay? You know how like we have ed endings and es endings and est endings, and well, this is an est ending. Make it two a hands and take your right a hand and come up. Unless you're left-handed, then you'll take your left hand and go up. Okay? But right hand does all the work. Ist. Highest. Okay? Praises, honor, and glory. Praises, golf clap. Don't make it so I can hear you. I don't want to hear you. Little bitty golf clap. Praises, honor. Point your H's, sort of your two fingers, H, at the people, at somebody. Come up and come down. I'll do that sideways. Honor. And glory. And glory. All right? And I said this in another video. I'll say it again in case you didn't get to see that video. Glory. Glory, here's how I picture glory. I'm sitting on a lake, on the bank. I'm sitting underneath a shade tree. The weather is perfect. Out at the lake, not a single ripple. Sun shining down on it. I throw a pebble. It hits the water. Glory. That's what glory, that's how I see the sign glory. Be unto your name. Be unto your name. Be to your name. Be. So we've got are, and we've got is, and we've got be. Now, be comes right off the chin, just like are and is does. Okay? Be unto, this is the sign for to, and it's just directional, right? I'm going to go over there. I'm going to go to you. I'm going to go to them, all right? Be to your, remember those pronouns? Name. And you should know this from your introduction. Hello, my name is such and such, all right? We are the broken. We are the broken. Like you have a pencil and you're going to go step. We are the broken. You are the strength-giving person. Healer. Healer. When you put this at the end of a word or end of a sign, the way I describe it is occupationalizes that sign. So the previous sign. So here is health or strength, person. So a health person is a healer. Jesus, Redeemer, Jesus, and that should be obvious. And I use the center fingers, Jesus. I've seen it done with the index finger, and both are right. Whichever way you've learned it or whichever way is more comfortable with you. Redeemer, redeem. Now what does this do? If this is redeem, this is a person who redeems. So cross your arms, make R's, and just come across. That's redeemer. Jesus, Redeemer, mighty to save. Mighty, strong. You can also powerful, strong. To save. Save and redeem are the same kind of sign. They share a lot in common. You are the love song. You are the love song. Okay, song. Song. It's just waving your hand over your arm here. And that in sign language, that's song, that's music, that's singing, that's a chorus, that's a melody, that's a harmony, that's anything basically to do with music. Because if you can think about it, music is pretty much a hearing thing. Okay? The best that we can do for the deaf in music is to have the motions that go with music. And so that's why when you see me sign, and I'm signing music, I am signing the rhythm of the music. That's how the deaf get music. Okay? Mighty to save. You are the love song, We don't have contractions in signs. So we will, just like this is my song, I will be signing, just like your introduction, will. Anything in signs going forward is future tense. Anything going backwards is past tense, right? Will, going forward, sing, forever, forever, always yet. Bowing, this is your head, this is you bowing, and you know what? This is not bowing. This is, I don't know what that is. Bowing has this going with it. Bowing before you. So this is God's face, this is your face, and you're coming up together. Bowing before you, blessing your name. Bless. 2 A hands, put your right A hand if you're right-handed, next to your lip, and bless your name. I'm going to sneeze here in a minute. Maybe not. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Okay? We've gotten all of the signs now, and it just repeats this as it closes out the song. So as you're going through these, learn them in sentences and start to develop a little bit of feeling for each of these signs. We are a vapor. Get that shoulder action in there. You know, we're gone. We are a vapor. You are eternal. Sort of a statement of fact. You are eternal. Work some of that in. We're going to go next, when you get that done, go to the next song, next video, where we'll do this song in slow time. All right? See you there. Look forward to seeing you there at LTC.